Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-55, the boiler exhaust pipe connection flange for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, as usual, open up new file, new MMGS parts. Alright, so let's go to top, sketch, circle. That's going to be a total of 38. 38. That's going to be a thickness of... no, not yet, no. Actually, yeah, no, it's going to be hole through, but let's through that first. So it's going to be a thickness of 6. I'm not going to do mid-plane, just going to leave that. I don't think there's any range at this stage. So let's go on this one again, sketch on there. It's going to be a circle. Let's do diameter of 24, which is going to be extruded out by 13 and done. Now let's go on this one again, sketch. It's going to be another circle. It's going to be a 18. Yep, and that's going to be bored through. Oh, not that one, sorry. Through all and done. Beautiful. Now it's going to be a thread. Let's do the thread first of 18. Yes, 18. It's on 6 at the moment. We've got to scroll up because 1 comes before 6. 18 comes after 1. Not 6 or whatever. 18 by 1.5. Actually, before we do, cancel that. Me put a plane first. Forgot about that. 10, yep, that works good. Excellent. Hole wizard. Nope, not hole wizard. Thread, thank you. Let's change that back to 18 by 1.5. So we want that circle. Come on. Click on it. Otherwise it doesn't register. It's going to be there. But it's going to be blind. Let's put 25. Nope, more. 35. There you go. We want to go all the way through. It does. Yes, it does. But trim and trim. And click that one and it's the wrong way as usual. Extrude and done. Beautiful. Hide that. That's looking good. Now let's go back to this one because we need to normalize and sketch on that face. So first off we want to put a circle in, which is going to be construction. Thank you. And that circle is 29. Now we want to go center line from there to there. Center line down there to there. There we go. Now let's put in some circles just on these spots here. 1, 2, 3. I know you had the point there I could have done, but I was fine. Center line helps me make sure I'm in the right spot. And that's going to be 4mm holes. 4. There we go. Let me click on these four. I'm just going to do equal. There we go. And they're going to bore through, feature, extrude cut, through all, and done. Now that's got to be a 4mm hole, thread. So now we've got to do thread. So let's turn on this plane again. We can use that in these holes. Yeah, why put another plane in? We can use that one, right? Thread. Where are we? Down a bit further. We want 4. That's 42. Where's 4 gone? 48. 4 by 0.7. Okay, that's all we got. So we can use. Put one there. And plane. There you go. I'm going to leave that as is. That's cool. It's going to be extrude, trim, and trim. And done. Hey, I got it right way once. Right, let me do the other 3. It's going to be exactly the same. That's going to be thread. Pick that one. Grab you. Pick that one. Let's see, extrude, trim, and done. 2 down, 2 to go. Circle, perfect. We should jump over there, thank you. Up there, external thread. Extrude thread, I mean, not external, extrude thread, my mistake. And done, beautiful. 1 to go. Oh, got changed over. Look at that one, click straight away that time. Extrude thread, start, or trim. Right, yeah, that can hide again. We don't need that anymore. Thank you for your help. I do appreciate it. Okay, that's part 3-55, the boiler exhaust pipe connector flange for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. That's the last part for this part of the section for part 3 of parts of 3. So we can just do some assembly next. Just finish up these ones, then we're going to be starting section 4. So thank you again for your support. I do appreciate it. It was slowly getting there, but we are getting there. Thanks again. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.